Good morning children, myself Sumalata, Maths teacher of Kakatiya Public School. Today I am going to continue the volume topic. Yes, have a look at this problem. Find the volume of cubes here. Okay, they given here. Cubes nothing but all sides are equal. If one side length has given means the all sides will be the same here. So first one here, side length has given 12 centimeters and side length has given second one 16 centimeters. Let's find the volume for this here. First one I am taking here. Side nothing but yes I am taking. So side length has given 12 centimeters and here at the top I given here volume of cube formula S3 cubic units and volume of cuboid is LBH, length into breadth into height, cubic units. Let's find the volume of cube here. So volume of cube nothing but here S3. S3 means the 12 centimeters. 12 we need to multiply 3 times. And cubic units as given here as a centimeters in this problem. So centimeter cube I need to take. Now let's multiply 12 into 12. First I am multiplying these two numbers. 12 into 12. Here have a look at here. 12 into 12. 12 2s are 24. 4 2 carry. 12 1s are 12. 13 14. So 14. 12 into 12 when I am multiplying 2 times I am getting as 144 and still one more 12 is left children. I am multiplying here centimeter cube. So 144 into 12. 12 4s are 48. 8 4 carry and 12 4s are 48. 48 plus 4 49 50 51 52. 52 means 2 5 carry and 12 1s are 12. 12 plus 5. 12 plus 5 13 14 15 16 17. So here 17. So when I am multiplying here 144 into 12 here, what I got here? 1728 centimeter cube. It means volume of the given cube. Volume of given cube 1728. Come on, here I am writing 1728 centimeter cube. Let's find the volume of second cube which has given side as 16 centimeters. So here second one, side here 16 centimeters. Okay, now let's find its volume. Volume of cube. So what I gave here? S3. See here already I gave volume of cube is S3 cubic units. So S3 nothing but here 16 I gave no here. So 16 into 16 and measures has given us centimeters. Units are centimeters. So centimeter cube you will get. Now let's multiply 16 into 16 first. Okay, 16 into 16 I am multiplying here. 16 6 are children. 16 6 are 96. So 6 here 9 carry and 16 1s are 16. 16 plus 9. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. What I am getting here? 25. 16 1s are 16 plus 9 is 25 means 256 when I am multiplying 16 into 16. So 256 and one more 16 is there to multiply children. So here into 16 centimeter cube. So then now let's multiply 256 into 16 here in rough column. 256 into 16. 16 6 are 96. 6 and 9 carry. 16 5 are 80. 80 plus 9 89 children. So 9 here 8 carry. Now 16 2s are 32. 32 plus 8 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40. When I am adding 16 2s are 32 plus 8 is 40. So here I am getting 40 here. So when I am multiplying 256 into 16, so what I am getting as the answer 4096 centimeter cube. Means therefore volume of given cube is 4096 centimeter cube. 4096 centimeter cube. Yes, have a look at these problems. Here find the volume of cuboid cylinder. Here the given cuboids, we need to find the volume of given cuboids. And first one here, have a look at the first one here. Length has given us 22 centimeters, breadth has given us 18 centimeters and height has given us 8 centimeters. Coming to second problem, length has given 15 centimeters, breadth has given 12 centimeters and height has given 10 centimeters. We need to find its volume. Come on, first given cuboids. Have a look at this problem formula. Volume of cuboid is LBH cubic units. Means we need to use this second formula, volume of cuboid. Let's find the first one here. L value has given us 22 centimeters and breadth has given us 18 centimeters and height has given us 8 centimeters. Now volume here. Volume of given cuboid. Given cuboid is LBH, children. LBH. LBH means 22 into 18 into 8 and here units are centimeters, children. Cubic units means centimeter cube. Centimeter cube I can take. Now I am multiplying 22 into 18. 22 into 18 here. 22 into 18. 18 2s are 36. 18 2s are 36 children. 6 and 3 carry. Now 18 2s are 36. 36 plus 3. 37, 38, 39. So when I am multiplying 22 into 18, 396 I am getting here. 396 and still one more 8 is there, children. Still 8 is there to multiply. So 396 into 8 centimeter cube. Come on then. Here 396 into 8. Let's multiply 396 into 8. 8 6 are 48. 8 4 carry. Now 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 4. 73, 74, 75, 76. 6 and 7 carry. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 7. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 7 is 31. So when I am multiplying, what I got here? 3168 centimeter cube. It means volume of the first cuboid which has given here in the table is 3168 centimeter cube. Let's find the volume of second cube here. See, length has given us 15 centimeters. Breadth has given us 12 centimeters. And height has given us 10 centimeters. Now, volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid is LBH, no? LBH. L is 15 into B is 12 and h is 10, and measures are centimeter cube units. Now let's multiply 15 into 12 first. 15 into 12. 12 5s are 60. 0, 6 carry. 12 ones are 12. 12 plus 6. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 180 we got. 180 into left number 10 centimeter cube. Now 180 into 10 is 1800 centimeter cube. So volume of given second cuboid is 1800 centimeter cube. Yes, children, have a look at this worksheet here. Find the volume of cube. Here I gave 2 as a work. You need to find the volume, and only side has given means nothing but its shape is cube, children. So first problem 19 centimeters and second problem 25 centimeters. These two are the cubes only. So volume of the cube you need to find. Its formula is volume of the cube S3 is equals to cubic units. You need to use that formula, children. Coming to next problem, find the volume of cuboid. Cuboid means here we require the length, breadth, height values. Now first problem, length is 12 centimeters, breadth is 13 centimeters and height is 15 centimeters. You need to find its volume. And length value, second one, length value is 20 centimeters, breadth value is 15 centimeters and height is 10 centimeters, and you need to find its volume. Volume of the cuboid formula is LBH, means length into breadth into height. Cubic units. Okay, units are here centimeters in this problem, and in this problem it's also centimeters, children. Thank you.